For me, this is my hometown show, working here in Atlanta. I can remember coming to the show when I was still in public safety. But this is the place to be. This is the second largest public safety trade show in the country, so why not have a presence? I mean, you look around, there's drones everywhere this year. It's been building up to this over the past few years, and it's awesome.
An event like FRI, it gives us a lot of connections. We get to meet a lot of other businesses and meet a lot of other potential customers and get a lot of feedback on what we're doing, and it's very valuable to us and the company.
The reason we come to trade shows like this is to work with our partners. We've got a lot of great partners in the space with Skyfire, with some of our hardware providers. No one of these companies can do it alone. So the idea that we can work with our partners in an area like this and then collectively tell the story to young companies, young agencies that are coming online that don't know anything about this new space of UAVs, and then put them in touch with other agencies that we've already worked with that are doing a lot of really interesting things, mutual customers of Skyfire and us, so that the idea that we can, spread the word about how to do this, the value of and the use case of these tools in their world, and help get them the tools they need to be more effective and safer, really.
I love the trade shows because this is where we actually get to talk to the responders. So everybody we've been talking to throughout the year, they come up and they say, hey, I'm that guy you've been talking to about that thing, and it's great because we really get to make the human connection. I get to understand what their use case and their mission and really say, look, I really don't think you need the most expensive one. I think you could probably be fine with this one. I really think we can get you into a training class here, there, wherever. So it's really important for us to hear from our clients about what they need, what they have that they like, what they don't like, what else is out there. So it's a great place to do that. And then all of our partners are at these shows too. So we get to meet up with folks like DroneSense, Darley, and just have these conversations about some of the cool stuff they're doing and how we can partner up more.